Good morning, myself Sai Kumar and I am from BSS Learn Center. Today we are going to discuss about HTML with CSS. As of now, we already know what exactly HTML is. For that, in case if you want to know HTML, how to design HTML videos and all, I have kept the first video on HTML itself. Now we are going to discuss HTML with Notepad, text editor as a Notepad. So now we know what exactly HTML is. On HTML only we can do what? CSS. So closing tag of HTML, and what exactly is head section, closing tag of head section. Under that we have a title tag and closing tag of title tag. So what exactly we need is we can say name it as CSS, as we are going to discuss about CSS styles and all. CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and CSS are used to design a HTML web page. So CSS are available in three forms. One is inline, internal and external. So now we are going to discuss about first body, closing tag of body. So now we are, as I said, there are three types of CSS. Now also so now we are going to discuss, as I said, there are three types of CSS. Okay, there are three types of CSS. I'll write over here. First one is inline CSS. Second one is internal CSS. Third one is external CSS. So what exactly these three are, we are going to discuss now. So what is inline CSS means? Writing within the line is called inline CSS. Example, now I want to apply. So how do we apply a style means writing style tag. Style is equal to what whenever we write a style, automatically it observes as an cascading styles is background hyphen color equal to blue. So when I write this, and if you go see, before writing this I want to show this page. Before writing this, Control X I am doing. I did not write anything, just I am saving this page. Save as css.html. So I am going to save it on my desktop. Save it. Okay, it already exists system, so I am CSS new. So it has been saved now. You just go and refresh it. See, this is my page. It's okay. And we have some angular brace because we did not extra angular brace is there because of this body type. Just save it, and I want this body to be aligned center. Now I'm going to apply what? CSS. Now how do we apply CSS means applying style is equal to background icon. Oh, sorry, I already wrote. I'm just pasting that code and just saving that file and refreshing the page. Now observe this one. So this is called inline. So where exactly we write within the line. So in case if I have three paragraphs, when I have three paragraphs, so I am going to say this is welcome to CSS. Learning CSS. When you save it, automatically the file will be saved. But I want to apply all the CSS at once. Now see, this is a step P, we have missed it. So see here, as we have missed step P. Now you can save it and see it. Just save it and see it. It's an error-free language, that's the reason we are not able to get that error, but it will show an error. So learning CSS and welcome CSS we did not apply. I want to apply through internal. What does actually internal means? Inline you have seen within the line. Now what is exactly internal means? Whenever we define a style within the head section of it is called an internal style sheets. So style property we need to write style and closing tag of style. Within that, what exactly for whom you want to apply color? For paragraph I want to apply color. For all paragraphs I want to apply color. So all paragraphs, and background icon is equal to for all paragraphs what I am going to get now? In a single stroke I am going to apply. See. So whenever we have three inline, internal and external, first preference will be given for inline, next for internal, and third for external. So we have seen two internal external files. But the second external, when you have multiple external files and you want to call individually each thing. So when you want talking about internal, we have two more types. And under internal we have we have three ways to call. One is with element, comma, the other one is ID, and the other one and last one is class. So when we have, how can we call an internal means element and ID and class. So already we know we have called with what? Directly we called with an element, that is paragraph P is an element. But for ID, how do we call? ID is equal to, if I give my ID, so how can I call this my ID separately means? Now only for that particular ID I want to call. So how can I call? Instead of P I want to only apply for whom? ID is equal to my ID. So whenever I say ID I need to call with hash. Whenever I say ID, call with hash and my ID. And say what? Learning CSS color I want to apply for what? Instead of green I want to make it yellow. So element first we have seen, and the second one is, so C. And the third element, if I want to use class, how do we use class means? Class can be a dot, period, it is called as class, my class. So write down my class. So how do we write here? Same within the head section, my class. Within the head section, we have, so instead of class, I mean whenever we used if you want ID you can keep it as it is. Yeah, so here next I want to use what? Class. Another class can be used as what? My dot, class means dot my class, and give it what? Just I am giving a color red. Go and refresh it. The third one should become what? This is how we called our inline, internal, external CSS. External we did not call. So in case even as of now we have seen three things, and in case if you want to call an external CSS, make a note of, take another notepad and name it as just I am going to completely give for a complete body and call it as an background hyphen color AQU aqua, and I am going to give aqua color for that, and just save it as what you know, file, save as, name it as an external, means whenever we call an external style sheet we need to mention with an external CSS. So I am going to save it in a D drive. Under that I am going to give external external styles. Under that I'm going to name it as what, external style sheets dot css. So save it with other external styles. I rate external style sheets and name it as save it. So we have saved with what, that file name. Now call it as what, under head section we need to call. Under head section, under title tag, what we need to call is, what I need to call, I need to call link rel is equal to style sheet, type is equal to text slash css, and what exactly I want to call is type, and after that where exactly this is, href is the path where I gave. So under D drive external styles. So what is the file name under external styles? D external styles, external CSS, external SS. So just backslash external style sheets dot CSS. That's it. And just save this one. So we have used the word external style sheets also we have implemented under. Save it and just so as we have placed within the style sheets, it did not reflect. So once again, I'm just replace this one within outside of the style sheet and just take it out. Control S and just go and refresh the page. Whether you are getting the color or not, you can check it out. Yes. So now we have seen what are the cascading style sheets and how to implement within the HTML, and how many types of style sheets. Like 3 types of style sheets are there: internal, inline, internal, external, and we have seen inline, internal, and external style sheets, and how to call an internal style sheets with the 3 ways, like element, ID, and class. So now I am winding up my class, and in case if you have anything, just you can ping my channel. Thank you.